Hi, everyone. Welcome to Talk of the Town. I'm Robyn Zimmerman, along with my guests, Jacquelyn Lawless, who's the owner of Hilton Head Medical Spa, and internal medicine physician, Dr. Rafael Sanchez. Good to have you with us. Good to see you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Right.
Yes.
So the medical spa is at Corpus Christie Plaza, Suite 206 on Hilton Head. And so you have a whole plethora of services that you're providing now. So let's kind of go back to the basics. How long have you been there, and what are you providing for our customers?
So we're a one-stop, pretty much health and beauty shop. We offer facials, we offer massages, we have therapeutic stretching, we have injectables. We are starting, which we're excited about, the IV infusions. We have just started the medically supervised weight loss injections. And Dr. Sanchez, am I missing anything else?
No, I think you probably cover most of the service. Yeah, we're doing the injectables, the weight loss injections, and the IV infusions. Yeah.
And the facial, the regular facial, the regular massage.
Yeah. We do also have a Diamondglow facial treatment.
Right, we talked about that last time.
Yes,
right.
So
and I've had it.
And it's great, right?
Great, and I need another one.
And we're the only provider still in Beaufort County that has it. So it's pretty much a microderm abrasion, where they're pumping Skin Medica customized serum into your skin, so you leave really pumped, hydrated, and glowing.
Right. So, Dr. Sanchez, what is your role with the medical spa?
Okay, so my role, I'm the medical director of the spa.
Okay.
I supervise all the procedures. I make sure when the patients come in and they're appropriate for that type of treatment that they're seeking.
Right. And then you also have a practice too,
Yeah.
an internal medicine practice. So you're lucky to get him and also have that reciprocality.
Yes, very.
Yeah, very nice. And so you were talking about the weight loss injectables, which is becoming a hot issue. A lot of people are going that direction. Mm-hmm. Is that? And is it one drug, or are you using several drugs, and how does that work?
So we have several drugs. We have at least two GLP-1 medications that we offer. Now the key that we offer is that we provide a medical supervision for the weight loss. So the patients will have a physician monitoring their weight loss, and then so they don't have any problems with them.
Also with any questions, and they can also come into our shop, our store, and get the shot given to them, so they don't have to do it.
They don't have to do it themselves, because is it a shot like a day or something?
It's once a week. It's once a week. Once a week. Yeah.
Right.
Once a week.
So we have the nurse or the doctor does
Actually
gives the shot if they want.
Right.
If not, that's okay. They can do a month supply, or they can even just do a weekly supply at our spa.
And then infusions, we were talking about that earlier. Yeah. What type of infusions are you going to be doing?
So we're going to be offering infusion for hydration, for energy, for beauty. We have several infusions that we offer.
The B vitamins. I mean, there's going to be a menu. So
yes. Is this one-stop shop, Jacquelyn, kind of becoming the way to go in the kind of the health spa? And I like that you're a medical health spa where you have that, the oversight with Dr. Sanchez. Is this where people are going?
I mean, it's easier.
Yeah.
Because you can come in, you can get a facial, you can get your brows tinted, you can get your weight loss shot, you can get Botox all in the same day.
Right. So talk a little bit more about, we have about 50 seconds left, your team. So you've got Dr. Sanchez, and then you have who else on your team?
We have Dustin, who is our lead esthetician. We have Victor, who is our massage therapist. We have Anissa, who is our laser specialist. We have a few other massage and facialists that are as needed. And then I'm also an esthetician. I went to school as well.
And so if someone wants an appointment or has questions, they just call you or
they
go on the
can call
website?
us, or they can email us, they can Instagram us, Facebook us, all of the above.
Okay, again, it's the Hilton Head Medical Spa.
Yes.
So good job. Thank you. So good to see you again.
Yes, you
Jacquelyn
too.
Lawless, who's the owner, and Dr. Rafael Sanchez. Thanks
and
for
also
being on
they
our
are
show.
welcome to come in for complimentary consultations
Right.
on anything. So
Okay, perfect.
we would love that.
That's important
Yeah.
to come in. And so, what do you think I really need? Like, for
You're
my
beautiful,
face?
Robyn.
No. What about all these lines?
We can fix it.
Okay, thank you. And we'll be right back.